Hey, this is the Guitar Hero Fan 811 and
MKW Pros 124.
we are going to play a prank on our dog Tula. I have a treat in my pocket and I'm going to put it down here at the end of the basement where the sump pump is, and she hates it. So we unplugged it and then put an extension cord. Well, first of all, we filled it with water, so then when we plug it in, it will go off when she's getting the treat. So I'm just going to put in the treat right by the sump pump right now. So it's right behind it. So she'll get scared when she goes over there. Tula, you want the treat? Okay. Here we go. Get your treat, Tula. It's over there. Get your treat. Get your treat, Tula. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. Bye.